Hello everyone, my name is Prince and today we are gonna make a very interesting app using MIT App Inventor. If you are new to this page, please do not forget to like and then subscribe to the channel. MIT App Inventor is very good for beginners, intermediate and everyone. If you're new to MIT App Inventor, first what you have to do is to search for the word MIT App Inventor. When you search for it, it will come like this, MIT App Inventor. So just go to it. There's no need for you to download, it works as website. And now you can create app. Click on create app, then wait for it to come. I have already signed into it, that's why it have opened. But for you, when you are coming to it at first, you have to log in to your either you have to log into your account so that every project that you will be doing, it will save or store it for you. First thing that you have to do is click on new project. And you click on new project, name it how you want. With the app that we are coming to do, I said we are coming to do animals with their sound. We are coming to make an app that when you tap on the animal, it gives you its sounds like this. What is going on, you see? So now let's make something very good. Let's try this. Let's name it animals. Alright, animal with their sound. Oh, I think that's cool. With their sound, I think that's cool. Now the next we will talk about the toolkit. The toolkit is where either you are beginner or you are, so with a beginner they are not going to give you much features. We have intermediate, default and the custom. Now I'll advise you to choose beginner because you don't know anything about that, but that's not the problem. You can choose intermediate and then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, now it is loading for our app to open. Let's wait. Alright, now when we open it, this is how it looks like. This is our first screen that we are going to use to do it. With the first screen, come to the behavior. This is the screen of your mobile phone. Let's do some settings. When you're doing that settings, come to the behavior. This is the screen behavior. Let's change the background color to maybe, I don't know, but let's take dark. You can decide to choose what you want, but I like dark. And then come to orientation. With the orientation, since we are building the mobile app, we can choose portrait. Alright, we can choose portrait, and we want it as what? As phone mobile app, right? So I think it is cool. Now this is what we have to do. Our next step, since we want the app to be everywhere, go to layout. When you go to layout, drag the table arrangement and then drop it. Alright, now with the table arrangement, go to its behavior, fill the height to fill parent, the width to fill parent to, like this. Alright, now we are cool to go. Now start dragging, go to use interface. Alright, when you go to use interface, drag and drop the number of buttons that you want. The buttons is going to behave as the animal, you understand? Now with this one, what do we want the size to be? Let's come to its behavior. With the behavior, we can decide to choose the height to be 30%. Let's take 30%. Alright, please do not skip anything. When you skip it, maybe there is something important that you might miss. Now let's do here maybe 40%, the width to be 40. You can decide to change the size if you don't want, or if you don't like this one. You can copy and then paste this. By copying and paste this thing, click on the button, write Ctrl C, and then you go Ctrl V to paste it, Ctrl V to paste it, Ctrl V to paste it, as number of times that you want. You understand? Now let's say maybe the 4 is okay for us, right? Alright, now if the 4 is cool with this one, maybe we want the button one to be dog, change it to dog. Come to its behavior, you see text. Alright, change the text to dog. It is going to change the name of this thing, right? So change it to dog. Alright, now we have dog. Alright, so you see the name have changed. Do the same to the rest, maybe. Alright, let's continue. Now we are on bottom 3, right? The bottom 3, let's change bottom 3 to the image. The image, let's make it sorry, you go to image, choose file, and then we choose the file. Maybe we want cow. Okay, alright, do the same to the dog as well. Upload, choose file, dog. So we have dog here. Here is our dog. This is our dog, right? Alright, open. Okay. Alright, bottom. This is bottom 2, right? You go to image, upload. So you do this to all of them. Maybe cat. With the image, you can go to anywhere, either Google, anywhere, and then you upload it, and that's all. Go to image, upload, file. I'm trying to explain everything detail by detail, so that's it. That's the reason why I'm just going slow. Alright, now let's change the text buttons and then make their names. So click on the button 2, that's the cat. Go to text, clean the text for button, and then name it cat. You can decide to make it bold. You can decide to change the color or the size of it. You can change the size. Now let's change the font size to maybe 25 so that it will be big. Okay, now let's make the text color white or blue. Let's try blue. Let's try something white and see. Alright, white is cool. Let's do the same to the rest. We have dog. Change the font size to maybe 25. Make it bold. Change the color to white. Do the same to the cow. The text should be what? Cow. Font bold, size 25. 26, that's cool. Color white, and then the last one goat. Good. Make the text color white. Text. Good. Bold. Let it the font to be bold. Font size 25 or 26 is okay. Alright. Now that we know that this one is dog, we know that bottom 2 is cat, we know that bottom 3 is cow, and then bottom 4 is goat, right? Now let's do some sample. Before we move on, if you haven't subscribed or if you haven't liked the video, please like it. Now let's go to media. With the media, scroll down, you are going to see player. The player is going to help us for the sounds. Now we have how many animals in it? We have 4 animals, so drag about 4 players in it. We have player 1, so the more you add players, the more it counts here. So we have player 1, drag another one again. We have player 2, drag another one. You have player 3, and then the last one, player 4. So let's say player 1 is the dog sound, will be the dog sound. Player 2 will be the cat sound. Player 3 will be the cow, and then player 4 will be the goat, right? Now come to player 1. When it comes to player 1, we are going to see with the behavior, you're going to see source over here. Alright, click on the source, come to upload, and then upload the sound of a dog. I will just give the link under the bio so that you can go there, and then I'll upload some sound effects of animals. Alright, so we have dog over here. I have the dog over here. I'll just click on open, and it will open it for me. Alright, that's it. You go to player 2, you do the same thing, source, upload file. Now player 2 was what? Cat, right? Now I'll just upload a sound of a cat. Where is it? Cow, sheep, donkey, cock. So this is the cat. Meow. I'll just upload it. Okay, so that's sound number 2. Player number 2 is what? Cat. Now let's go to player number 3. So you do this to all of them. Player number 4 is cow. Upload file. Now cow. This cow. The sound of a cow. Where is it? Sheep, dog. So this is a sound of a cow. You click open. Okay. Now you come to the last one, player number 4. You come to player number 4. You click upload. Choose file. Now last one was what? Goat, right? You come to goat. Sheep. So let's come here. Maybe I'll see the goat. Alright. So this is the goat. Open. Okay, so now that we are done with the players, which is the sound and then the animals, let's go to the main business. We can decide to change the size. You can see over here we have designer and then blocks. This place is your designer. This place is your designer that you design your app, the screen, and then after you're done, we go to the blocks. With the block sessions, this is your coding. It doesn't need any, so this thing will help you to understand how Scratch works. So if you know something about Scratch, this is Scratch blocks. Now come down, you are gonna see dog, bottom 2, bottom 3, bottom 4. The bottoms are the animals, and then the players are the sound. Now click on the bottom or the dog So you can see when dog click, do now drag that one. So you are saying that when the dog is click, what should happen? It goes to player and then drag this one, call player one start, which means that when dog is click, it is going to call player one. And what is player one? Player one is the sound that we uploaded to it. So it means that it is going to start with the dog sound. Right now you go to button number 2. When button number 2 is clicked, what is button number 2? Button number 2 is the cat. You do the same to it, call player 2 start, which means that it is going to start playing player 2, which is the cat sound. Now you move on to number 3. When button 3 starts, or when button 3 is click, you go to player number 4, call player 3 to start. And what is player 3? Player 3 is the sound of button 3. Now the last one is button 4. When button 4 is click, player call player 4 start. And we are done for this simple thing. Now let's try and test it. If you are new to this thing, what you have to do now, after we are done with this and you want to test it, you can use 3 things. You see here the connect. Here you see AI companion, emulator, USB, and then the rest. The USB is very difficult to connect. The emulator, you have to download the emulator for this MIT. And then AI companion, with your Android phone that you are using, you can download the MI companion on the Play Store. And then after you download it, you will just go there. So let's see if I have mine. With me, I have MI companion on my phone, on my PC. So on my PC, I've made a settings that can support Android app. So I'll just go there, and then this thing is my phone, so don't worry about that. This is my phone. So though it is PC, but you can do that settings and then it will support Android phone. If you want that settings, you can just give me in the comment section and I'm gonna do anything for you. So with the MIT inverter, you click on connect to AI companion, and you see this text. You are going to write this text in your companion like that. So let me copy this, and then let me paste it in my companion. So let me paste it here, and then you click what. So we are coming to try with our app, and if it works, we are free to go. This is the AI companion, and let's try the sound. So when you click on the dog, you see it is making. Let's try the cat. So that's for the day. If you really love and then enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a like. Our next video is going to be a quiz. So you are coming to, after you have the idea of this thing, we are going to make a video on how to combine this thing with a quiz. So after you are done with the app, how can you make a quiz so that when a child is being played this game, it is going to be something very fun for the child. I hope you loved the video. Thank you for watching the video.